Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to enable line steering assist. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the screen behind your steering wheel, so the dashboard. Let's use the arrows, the buttons with arrows, the left and right, to choose here settings. So let me press a few times, for example, the right arrow to highlight settings, press OK button. So you need to press this scrolling wheel on your steering wheel. Then you need to scroll down to choose here driver assistance. If you press the driver assistance, now you've got access to the following features. Scroll down to the second option, which is align centering assist. Let's just press it, and now you can enable the steering assist. So right now this is disabled by default, but if you press OK, you will highlight this on the orange light, and now you can use it. And as you can see, this is like the active part of your car's line keeping system. So sometimes the car may make some steering inputs to keep the vehicle position in the center of the line. It's quite useful. I really like this feature, so I highly recommend to have this safety feature enabled. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.